We're on our way to check out the Lynchburg Farmers Market.
Yeah.
I hear music
like
playing.
Parade.
It does kind of sound like a parade, doesn't it? Yeah. Let's go check it out. What did you get him? Did you get a muffin? Take a bite. Are you gonna take a bite?
Let me push it.
That's a lot.
What'd you get, James? What flavor is it?
Chocolate.
Chocolate flavored honey? Em wants to taste it.
Can I get a picture of you with the fountain?
I didn't try it. You can't kiss it. Yeah, you can.
Did you get some? He wants a lick, Colin.
Okay, out. That's so good.
What kind is that one, James?
This one is chocolate. One of these are peach and probably clover.
Clover?
I'm pretty sure. I got root beer. Look at this. Up there.
Go.
You have something to say.
Go.
Okay, here we go. You think there's going to be a choo-choo up here?
What is that? My sweatshirt? That's the Lynchburg Museum. No, behind us.
Look at the road that you're walking into.
Here.
Nope. Look at that. It's a fire bell.
It dings inside of that. Oh, that's a bad hose.
That's like a cannon, not a hose.
Motorcycle. What are those? Let's go look. Terracotta gargoyles. What do you think? Look up. Look up. There's the plane. Emmy, look up. There it is. Go ahead. Little planes are cute.
Look, it's General Lee and France. I'm pretty sure the guns from Silver War Dead. This single shot pistol and some rifles. Pocket pistol.
What do you see?
That didn't probably look at that.
We stopped at a playground for lunch, and all the kids are playing, and me and Emmett are on a swing. This is the same kind of swing that we saw at a different playground, but the whole thing is attached. So I swing on my swing, and he is on his, and we go for a ride together. Is it fun, Em? Yeah, you love swinging, don't you? So right across the street is the nature zone. We're gonna go check that out in a few minutes.
Oh.
Whoa.
I thought it said rattle.
Support his body.
He's just making himself a home.
There's another one, huh?
Be quiet. Gotta be quiet
Don't
around.
be noisy.
He's like, I'm out.
We're not gonna let him totally go where he wants.
Here, yes.
Oh, that's crazy huge. It's crazy.
Mm-hmm.
That is so cute.
He really likes pockets, so he might try to find your pocket. 'Cause
Then he's gonna steal
Warm.
my money.
what do you think a snake would do with money?
Eat it. It looks like
Yeah, I think he'd eat it.
he just wrapped his tail around me. You're just so cute. Well, he really likes me.
Mm-hmm.
Because you have light colors. Wow.
He's just trying to get away.
I want to hold him. Aren't the scales on the bottom of him called scoots? Or something like that?
I believe so.
Oh, you're just so cute. He's hissing at me. I have no idea. You like me a lot. No, he just wants to look for food. Do you give him the food? Or is it
Sometimes.
Or is it in there?
He eats mice, so we have to take him out of the cage and we give him mice that are frozen.
Rats?
And we thaw him out for him.
He's a beauty.
Why does the snake get to come out but not me?
Well, we're not going to get him out because he's shedding. We can get the other one.
He's cute.
She eats worms. So in the wild, she'd eat any sort of insect she could catch and vegetables.
And you're covered with a bunch of spikes. Extra.
Why do you think she has spikes?
To pretend yourself. Protect. Is this a girl?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, and that one's the boy. He says, why?
We thought that that one was a boy, but then the vet said that one was a girl, so we
Both
thought it
of
was a
them?
boy for years.
Both of them are girls?
I don't know. She lays eggs and the other one doesn't. Don't touch the skin. It'd be like if you had a sunburn and someone was touching your sunburn.
That'd be crazy if it's just checking us out. He's eyeballing me.
Emmett doesn't really want much to do with the lizards and the snake, huh?
Yeah, did you see him? He was holding his hand out like to hold that one.
This one's really checking us out. That one's saying what? And I bet that's its ear hole.
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
What do you think?
It's big.
They put the toad in the box.
Look how bright the yellow is now that it's all new.
It's so bright, and then he's green, and then his red tail that has the old one is all red.
Can you feel his tail?
And look at those horn shaped.
Don't touch the skin on them.
Look at
You
those
did
horn
it.
shaped
Try it again.
pieces.
Ready? Try it again. Nice and gentle. No?
My favorite animals are snakes.
No.
Yeah, snakes are cool.
I just get jumped.
They don't usually jump high. They just run and hop really fast. Hey, Emmy, do you want to pet the bunny? You want to touch the bunny?
And look at that snake.
Feel him soft.
You don't want to
Pet him
checking
nice
things
and
out.
soft.
Or he's just like, hey, who are you?
Oh, you're scared. We're going to do it soft and gentle.
Where's the
You
snake?
want to come pet the fur?
Right there. Look at it.
See the bunny? He's fixing his house up.
Are you going camping? Peekaboo!
Nice, so we have taken out of the cage and give them nice that are tourists. And then we found out.
So we're at Nature Zone and we're playing camp with stuffed animals and a campsite. We saw snakes, a beard-headed dragon,
That is the turtle's favorite spot.
and the turtle, spider, and toads.
Go
It's
ahead.
only open on Fridays and Saturdays, and it's free, and they have nature stuff for the kids to check out.
That's nice.
If you like this video, you should go check out our library. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. Subscribe to our channel. Check us out on Facebook. We're at Footman's Family Road Trip.